Welcome back to Product Zone. This is an 18-in-1 trimmer clipper. Amazing. It comes with so much attachments. You got different type of comb and level, different hair. You got for the nose, you got for a smoother finish right here. You got this right here. This is the beautiful lightweight waterproof machine. Charges fast. Look, you press it, it tells you right there the indication of the battery life. You press it one more time. Super turbo. It's smooth, good. It's literally a good machine overall. It's powerful. It's got great review on Amazon. Listen, it's a good thing. You could do lines, you could do fade, you could do your beard, you could trim and stuff. Like I'm gonna show you guys right now. See that? Cut. You could use it for the kids. We're using it for the kids right now, and I'm gonna tell you, it's really good. I had this machine for a while, and we've been using it like 2 times a month right now. It's nice. It's very sensitive. It does not bother the kids, and you can see clean cut right here. Check in the description box for price and detail. Overall, it's a really nice machine. You could use it as I said, multiple, and it's good for traveling. You could travel with it too. They get the clipper afterward and then fade it in. It's a really good stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone. Here is honest review. And I gotta tell you, this thing got an incredible review on Amazon. That's why I got it.